Man's bezel ring setup sample. Here we're using the wedding band for a shank. We're tapering it. And we're cutting out the main cutout, which is this bar. It's being cut out of the main ring from the tapered ring. We're using this to create the trapezoid shape for our cutout, rotating it around to create the three cutouts that you see in the ring. So we're cutting the top half of the wedding band out. We're cutting the holes in the side out. That creates this shank. Now, here's a box that we've created. We fillet the edges. Was the box. We cut out the ring tube from the ring cylinder to give this underside arc, and that's here. And then we have rose gold side wings. And we can adjust. And then we have the bezel setting that you've already know, and that's the bezel setting found under settings. So you can see everything is grouped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Follow everything to the end, turn them off and on, and that'll help you see how it's being built. Thank you for watching.